In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Shopify landing page using AI tools. We're going to take a simple, practical approach so you can go from idea to published page without getting overwhelmed. The goal here is to use AI to speed up the writing and design process while still making sure your landing page feels clear, polished, and ready for real visitors. To begin, open ChatGPT and describe your Shopify product or offer as clearly as you can. Include what you're selling, who it's for, and the main result or benefit the customer gets. The better your description is, the better the output will be. If your offer solves a specific problem, mention that too, because strong landing pages are usually built around a clear pain point and a simple solution. Once you've done that, ask ChatGPT to create a landing page structure. You want it to organize the page in a way that guides the visitor naturally from interest to action. This is helpful because instead of guessing what to include, you'll get a framework that gives your page direction and flow. Next, generate the actual sections for the page, including the headline, benefits, features, social proof, and the call to action. As you review the copy, make sure it sounds aligned with your brand and is easy to understand. If needed, you can refine the wording so it feels more natural and speaks directly to your audience. Clear and simple language usually performs better than copy that sounds too complicated or overly dramatic. After the text is ready, use Midjourney or another AI image tool to create product visuals. These visuals should support the offer and match the style of your brand. Try to keep the imagery clean, relevant, and appealing because strong visuals can make the page feel more trustworthy and professional. Then open your Shopify landing page builder. This is where everything starts coming together. Add the AI generated copy and the visuals into the page builder, placing each section in a logical order so the visitor can quickly understand what you offer and why it matters. From there, adjust the layout, colors, buttons, and images. This step is important because even good content can underperform if the page feels cluttered or hard to navigate. Make sure the design is visually balanced, the buttons are easy to spot, and the overall page is mobile friendly. Finally, preview the landing page and check everything carefully before publishing. Look for spacing issues, typos, image quality, and anything that might confuse the customer. Once everything looks clean and complete, go ahead and publish your landing page.